the most important basic type of this problem is that we will be using the angles like alternate, corresponding and co-interior extensively. Okay, so we should have an idea, prior knowledge to that, whether we know these angles or not. So let us see here. When these two lines are parallel, the lines are already given as parallel, L1 and L2. L1 is parallel to L2, which is already given. So when these two lines are parallel, then the co-interior angles, which are also known as the allied angles, therefore 2x plus x will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are co-interior angles. Once again, when the lines are parallel, then the sum of the co-interior is equal to 180 degree. These co-interior angles will never be equal. Yes, but their sum can be equal to 180 degree. They can be equal only when one of them is equal to 90 degree. Clear? So 2x plus x means 2x plus 1x is equal to 3x will be equal to 180 degree. Therefore x will be equal to 180 degree. 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60 degree. What we had been asked to find the value of x, and we found out. So all the type or the part of question number 8, they are of the same type, isn't it? Have a look. Now 4x, they have given you parallel lines. So again we will refer to alternate, corresponding and co-interior. Let me see how it works. If this is 5x, naturally this angle A will be also equal to 5x. So I can write A is equal to 5x, isn't it? When A is equal to 5x, why A is equal to 5x? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now, let us compare this 4x and A. So for 4x and A, what I observe that this L1 is parallel to L2. L1 is parallel to L2. So when these two lines are parallel, then the sum of the co-interior angles A plus 4x will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are sum of the co-interior angles. Well done. What is the value of A? Right now I have found the value of A as 5x. So I will write 5x plus 4x is equal to 180. 9x will be equal to 180. Therefore, the value of x will be equal to how much? The value of x will be equal to 180 divided by 9 is equal to 20 degree. Isn't it? Value of not 20 degree, I will write 20 only, not degree. Why should I write? Because we were asked to find the value of x only, and x should not be in degree. Why? Because x itself is not an angle. It is with a multiple either with 4 or with 5. So x is equal to 20. Let's have a look at the other one. I find that when these two lines are parallel, then the sum of these two angles 4x and A will be equal to 180 degree, because this 4x and A, they are co-interior angles. Have a look. This 4x and A are co-interior angles. Okay. 4x and A are co-interior angles, but A is equal to x. Why A is equal to x? Because they are vertically opposite angles. VOA. They are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, my dear, 4x plus A is equal to 4x plus A will be equal to 180 degree, because I have already mentioned that 4x and A are co-interior angles. And what do we do with the co-interior angles? We add them equal and make them equal to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of co-interior angles. So my dear, 4x plus, what is the value of A? A is x. Have a look here. A is x is equal to 180. 4x plus x, 5x will be equal to 180 degree. X will be equal to 180 by 5. 180 by 5, 3 times, 6 times. Therefore, x is equal to 36. Here you can write x equal to 36 degree, because x itself is an angle. Clear? Okay. Let's continue the next. That's why I divided 7 and 8 separately, so that we do not get mixed up, because in 8 all of them are of the somewhat are of the same type. Have a look over here. These two are parallel lines. So when these two are parallel lines, this is the transversal. This is the transversal. These two are parallel lines and this is the transversal. Therefore, let me mention it. Let me mention the line L1 and L2. So L1 and L2 are parallel. Until and unless the lines are parallel, you cannot make the sum of the corresponding co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay? Come on. So L1 and L2 are parallel. Therefore, 2x plus 5 and 3x plus 55 are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. And what do we do with the co-interior angles? 2x, therefore 2x plus 5 plus 3x plus 55 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of co-interior angles. Why sum of co-interior angle equal to 180? Because the lines are parallel. Until and unless the lines are parallel, you cannot make the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. They will be co-interior angles when two lines are given. Okay? When two lines are given and this is a transversal, so naturally these two are co-interior angle, but their sum will be, this A and B are co-interior, but their sum will be 180 degree only when these two lines are parallel. Only when these two lines are parallel. So these two lines are given parallel. Therefore, the sum of these two co-interior angle will be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So let's add 2x plus 3x. will be equal to 5x plus 60 is equal to 180. 5x is equal to 180 minus 60 will be equal to how much? 120 degree, or x will be equal to 120 by 5. So 120 by 5 is equal to how much? 5 2 times, 5 4 times. I am not going to write x in degree form because x itself is not present. It is in multiple with 2 and 3. So finally I'll write x is equal to 24. This is what we have been asked. I hope I am able to make you understand. Okay. Many children are really giving good comments, saying that they are getting lots and lots of benefit from the way it's uploaded on the YouTube. 3x, have a look here. Observation. This line and this line means L1 and L2 are parallel. So when L1 and L2 are parallel and this is a transversal, therefore this angle A and 2x plus 20, they are co-interior angle. L1 is parallel to L2, therefore A and 2x plus 20 are co-interior angle, isn't it? They are co-interior angles. Now, since the lines are parallel, therefore A plus 2x plus 20 means will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of co-interior angles will be equal to 180 degree when the lines are parallel. Now, what is the value of A? So the A is equal to 3x plus 25. I am going to write A is equal to 3x plus 25 plus 2x plus 20 is equal to 180 degree. So you have also to write the reason for this. Why did you write? For everything you write, you need to write a reason for that. So A is equal to 3x plus 25. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So I have mentioned it, A as equal to 3x plus 25 because they are vertically opposite angles. Now our next job is to add and subtract. 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 45, isn't it? 5x plus 45 will be equal to 180 degree. 5x is equal to 180 minus 45 will be equal to how much? 135 degree. Okay. Therefore, x will be equal to 135 by 5. Let me cancel it. 5 2 times 10 and 5 7 times. So x will be equal to x. Therefore, x will be equal to 27. So we have found out the value of x. Here we shouldn't write in degree form. I hope this is the last one, isn't it? I hope this is the last one. So let's concentrate a little. Okay. As far as I remember that these kind of sums have been done previously. Now, where lies the problem? These two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel and they are asking you the value of, they have given you this 130 degree also. They have given you the value of this, the middle angle also. Now, they want you to find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find x. Now, let's see. what we can do? So what we are going to do, we will draw a line which is parallel to this. Let us draw a line. Okay, this was L1 and L2. So L1 is parallel to L2, which is given. What did we do? We did L3 parallel to L1 and L2. Draw a line L3 parallel to L1 and L2 and L2. Now, after we drew a line parallel to L1 and L2, let us look at them one by one. What I find that on hiding this portion, when L1 is parallel to L3, therefore this angle, this one, will be equal to 4x. This angle will be equal to, let us write A here and let me write B here. Okay, so this A will be equal to will be equal to 4x. L1 now L1 is parallel to L3, therefore A will be equal to 4x because they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. Clear? Now let me hide this one. Again L3 is parallel to L2. Therefore B will be equal to 6x. Why? Because they are also corresponding angles. Fine. Now they have already given you the value of A plus B is equal to 130 degree. Now A plus B is equal to 130 degree. They have already given to you. So be happy. What is the value of A? A is equal to 4x. What is the value of B? Is equal to 6x is equal to 130 degree. 4x plus 6x is equal to 10x, isn't it? 10x is equal to 130, or the value of x will be equal to 130 divided by 10 is equal to 13. Do you think we should write in degree? No, I will not write in degree because it is in multiple with 4 and 6. So the value of x is equal to 13. Once again, only when the lines are parallel, the sum of the co-interior angle will be equal to 180 degree. Only when the lines are parallel, the alternate angles will be equal. Only when the lines are parallel, the corresponding angles will be equal. Clear? What did we do over here? We found that the value of A was 4x, value of B was 6x because they were corresponding angle, value was already given, and finally we had put in this formula and we found out the value of x is equal to 13. Please keep studying. Thank you.